Hello friends, welcome back. I am Trilochan. Let's continue with Python series. In the previous tutorial, we had discussed lambda function, right? And the uses of that. In this tutorial, we will discuss three statements which play a vital role in Python programming: break, continue, and pass statement. In Python, break and continue statements can alter the flow of a normal loop. Like loops iterate over a block of code until the test expression is false. But sometimes we wish to terminate the current iteration or even the whole loop without checking test expression. The break and continue statements are used in these cases. The pass statement is a null statement, but we can write a comment, right? Instead of pass, then why pass statement? The difference between a comment and pass statement in Python is that while the interpreter ignores a comment entirely, but pass is not ignored. However, nothing happens when the pass is executed. It results in no operation, NOP. Let's take an example of break statement, right? In break statements, let's take an example of for loop where we want to print the number, okay, till 5, but we have a list of 0 to 9. Okay, so here we can write down in range of 10. It means it is 0 to 9. We have the list, okay, but we will do if I equals to 5, then it will break. So let's print the number here. Here you can print I, then the outside of this loop you can print the another statement. Let me do, this is the end. Okay, so this is the break statement. So if I equals to 5, then it will break here and go to this statement. Okay, the break statement terminates the loop containing it, and control of the program flows to the statement immediately after the body of the loop. That means if I equals to 5, then it will break. If break statement executed, it will directly jump to this statement. Okay, so let's execute this one. Here it is 0 1 2 3 4, then the end. That means the break statement is executed. Okay, so this is how break statement works in Python. Let's write the continue statement instead of break. Okay, let's write here continue. So let's execute and see the result. Here it is. Here is printed 0 1 2 3 7 8 9. Okay, so 5 is missing here in the list. Okay, so it means the continue statement is used to skip the rest of the code inside a loop for the current iteration only. The loop does not terminate but continues on with the next iteration. So here if I equals to 5, it continues the next iteration, the skip the current iteration. So I think you understand how the break and continue works in Python. Okay, this is same as all other languages though, but in Python, as you are the beginner, so you have to understand this, how continue and break statement works in Python. Suppose we have a loop or a function that is not implemented yet, but we want to implement it in the future. So here suppose this is a loop, okay, we want to implement it further. So just I have written the for loop. So let's execute. How I think it's giving an error. The interpreter would give an error. So we can use the pass statement to construct a body that does nothing. So here we can simply pass, we can write the pass statement, so that the interpreter will construct the body. Okay, construct a body that does nothing. So that in this way we can use the pass statement. Here you can execute the statement, nothing will happen, but it will not give us an error. I hope you understand the statement, break statement, continue statement and pass statement in Python. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe